Good morning, everyone. Good morning. In the field of JEE Advanced Calculus, there is a sharp difference between the student who can solve the integral and a student who can analyze it. Today, we are going to master the latter by diving into the estimation of definite integral. We often encounter integrals like e to the power x square and sin x upon x, which cannot be solved by traditional method. However, JE never asked their exact value, but they want to know your capability to bound these integrals by using monotonicity, concavity, and inequality. It is not an optional chapter, but it is very essential tool to get rank under 100. Here we move from basic theorem to advanced comparison by using Taylor series and Maclaurin series. Now we move on basic tools. Basic concepts and tools. Our topic is estimation of definite integration. Estimation of definite integration. First is monotonicity. Monotonicity is if gx is less than from fx and fx is less than hx in interval AB, in closed interval AB, then integration from A to B gx is less than from integration A to B fx dx, and it is also less than from integration to A to B hx dx. This rule is called monotonicity. Second one is basic theorem. Basic theorem is if fx has minimum value m and maximum value m, capital M, minimum value is a small m in interval AB, and maximum value is capital M in interval AB, then MB minus A is greater than from A to B fx dx and is less than from capital M B minus A. Now moves on questions. Our first question is estimate we take two questions. First one is 0 to 1 e to the power x square dx. and second one is estimation from 0 to 10 e to the power x square dx. We take two questions, discuss one by one after other. First one, estimation of e to the power x square. First we check its maximum or minimum value. Take function fx. Fx equal to e to the power x square. Differentiate this function. We get f dash x. F dash x equal to 2x into e to the power x square. That is greater than equal to 0 in interval x belongs to 0 to 1. Clearly it is equal to 0 when x is equal to 0. Therefore we put here equal to, greater than and equal to sign. Now therefore f dash, since f dash is greater than equal to 0, therefore function fx is an increasing function. Fx is an increasing function, therefore fx has minima at x equal to 0 and minimum value at x equal to 0 and maximum value at x equal to 1 is increasing, is an increasing function. Therefore fx has minima at a minimum value at x equal to 0 and maximum value at x equal to m. Now therefore m equal to e to the power 0 square, that is 1, and capital M equal to e to the power 1 square, that is e. Now by using basic theorem, our formula is mb minus a is less than from integration a to b fx dx is less than from capital M b minus a, gives a value of m is 1 minus 0, and here is 0 to 1 e to the power x square dx, and here is value of capital M, that is equal to e 1 minus 0, gives from 1 or our function integration, our integral to e. This is a rough bond, but if we want more tighter bonds, then what should I do? We use expansion formula of e to the power x. E to the power x equal to expansion of e to the power x, that is 1 xy factorial 1 x square y factorial 2 x cube y factorial 3 x4 y factorial 4. It goes up to infinity. Now we replace x y x square, we get expansion of e to the power x square. Therefore, expansion of e to the power x square is equal to 1 plus x square y factorial 1 plus x4y factorial 2 plus x6y factorial 3 plus x8y factorial 4, and it also goes up to infinity. Now we have to estimate e to the power x square. We take first four terms and all other terms are positive terms. We leave that terms. Therefore, 1 plus x square y factorial 1, x4y factorial 2, x6y factorial 3 plus x8y factorial 4 is less than from e to the power x square, and is less than from, again we write these first four terms, but double the last term, double the fifth terms, 2 to 4. There are fifth terms here, and also right side we write these fifth terms, but double the last term, yani fifth term, doubling the fifth terms. 1 plus x square y factorial 1 plus x4y factorial 2 plus x6y factorial 3 plus twice x8y factorial 4. Only double the last term, and integrating both sides from 0 to 1, we get. Now what should do? Integrating both sides from 0 to 1. After integrating both sides from 0 to 1, we write, put integration sign here, with respect to x. Our integration is with respect to x. Therefore, after integration, we get x1. This is x cube by 3, right? Is like x plus x cube by 3. No, only 3 plus x5, and here 2 and 5 to the 10 plus x7, or it is factorial 3 is 6 and 6 7 ja 42 plus x8 x to the power 9, and factorial 4 is 24 916, and is less than, this is our integration which we have to estimate, and it is also become x cube by 3 x5 by 10, and this become x7 by factorial 42 plus, and it is x9 upon 216 का 108. Its values, upper limit lower limit is 0 to 1. Here also we have to put limits, upper limit 0, lower limit 1. Now after putting limits, After putting limits and subtracting, we have 1 plus 1/3 plus 1/10, 1 plus 1/3 plus 1/10 plus 1/42 plus 1/216, and our integration is 0 to 1 e to the power x dx, and here also 1 plus 1/3 plus 1/10 plus 1/42 plus 1/108. Note that these first four terms are both side equal. Only difference is 1/216 and here is 101/8. And difference of these two terms is 1/216. Therefore, our integration content restrict, our integration is restrict in very small interval of length only 1/116. Therefore, we restrict this integral in a very small interval. Now, our next question. Note that in our question, our integration is from 0 to 1, and this method work only when value of x moves from 0 to 1, because in this expansion terms are consequent, terms are decreasing very fast. If value of x from 0 to 1, because if we take any number from 0, if we take any number from 0 to 1 and increasing its power, value of number decreases. Therefore, this expansion or value of this expansion from first few terms, if we calculate first few terms, then it gives correct value if and only if value of x is from 0 to 1. Because if we raise value of x, its value decreases very fast. But if value of x is more than 1, this expansion does not work